Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my July Boxycharm for you guys, and today's box is pretty small. I was pretty surprised to see how small it was for this month, but I'm really excited to see what products I got. I did already open it like I usually do just because I can't wait. So for today, this little the little card is something natural. I don't know how to pronounce the words. This is what the little card looks like. It's really cute and I'm really excited. The first thing I see in the box is actually the skin bar at Ulta Beauty and Elemis. I think that's how you say it. Ready for a flash facial. I guess you get $10 off your a facial at Ulta Beauty. I'm not really sure. I didn't even know they had like a skin bar there, but there's two different facials you can choose from. There's the Insta Glow with Superfood and Insta Firm with Pro Collagen. And it says you have to call like your Ulta to make an appointment. And I don't even know if my Ultas near me have like a skincare bar, but if they do, then I'll probably do it. I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm really excited for that. So the first product I have is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. It says it's a nourishing prebiotic green mask. It says it's advanced skincare. This is what it looks like. And I've never tried like a skin mask from this brand. Right now I'm using the moisturizer, which I do really like. It feels really hydrating on my skin, and I'm really excited to try out the mask because so far this like brand has been working pretty well with my skin. And then this is the Luxie Gaea. I have no idea how to pronounce this word. It says, unleash your true beauty by being kind to the earth. Please help keep our planet beautiful by recycling this package. And it comes like in this like paper bag, like little pack thing. I don't know what it's called, but it's really cute. And it says brushes included on the back are Luxie 250 large eye blending, Luxie 246 precision crease, and Luxie 510 for foundation. Oh wow, these are really cute. So this is the big like blending one. And I don't know if you guys can see, but it has like a wood like texture to them. They're really cute. They feel really nice. This is the foundation one. And then this is the crease precision one. I can't talk today. I'm really excited to use this. I don't really use like the flat brush for foundation. Maybe I should try and see how that works. I use a blending sponge, but I should try that to see what it's like. So the Elemis Superfood mask is $35. The Luxie 3-piece brush set is $30. The next thing is this gel liner by the brand Appeal. I don't use gel liners and I don't really care for them, but this is what the color would look like if I did actually use it. I might try it just to see if it's good. Usually the liners that come in the Boxycharm are not very good in my opinion, but maybe it might surprise me. And this liner retails for $21. The next product I was really excited for, it's the Alamar Cosmetics Las Des-Nude-As Dulce. But yeah, this is what this looks like. It's a really cute packaging. It's a lip gloss from Alamar Cosmetics, and I love lip gloss, so hopefully it's a really pretty shade. This is what the applicator looks like. It's just like a flat applicator, and it has like a glass like wand, but it doesn't have a scent, which I don't care for, but I like when my lip products have like a sweet smell to them. Not too sweet, but sweet to the point where they smell good. But yeah, I'm really excited for this. This retails for $15, which is a bit pricey but not too bad. And then the last and final product in this month's box is this Butter London palette. This is the Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. This is what the packaging looks like. It's super cute. I love the packaging. And it does come with a pretty nice mirror. I'm not going to shine it. I'm not going to show it just so it doesn't blind you guys. But this is what the actual like eyeshadows look like. It's very pretty. I love this blue right here. It's very pretty. And the colors just look really pretty. And I'm really excited to use them. I don't think I've ever tried eyeshadows from this brand before, but hopefully they're good. They don't smell like anything. I don't know why I smell everything. And the Butter London palette retails for $32, which is not too bad either. But yeah, so this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It wasn't very long. I'm actually surprised this video went by really fast. But yeah, I'm really excited to try all these products out. Hopefully they are good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below so you can watch more of my videos. I'm trying to be better at uploading, and I want to like make videos I like. I love watching full face of like new makeup, or testing out a full face of a certain brand, or just trying out new makeup and playing with makeup. So I want to try and make more of those kinds of videos that I really enjoy watching, so that you guys might enjoy watching them as well from me. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!